CBSE Syllabus for Class 8 Social Science 2020 to 2021 Academic Year 1. History Our Past's 3 Textbook for History for Class 8 1. How, when and where to. From trade to territory the company establishes power 3. Ruling the countryside 4. Tribals, Dikus and the vision of a golden age 5. When people rebel 1857 and after 6. Weavers, iron smelters and factory owners 7. Civilizing the native, educating the nation 8. Women, caste and reform 9. The making of the national movement, 1870s-1947 10. India after independence 2. Social and political life A Unit 1, The Indian Constitution and Secularism Chapter 1, The Indian Constitution Chapter 2, Understanding Secularism B Unit 2, Parliament and the Making of Laws Chapter 3, Why do we need a Parliament? Chapter 4, Understanding Laws C Unit 3, The Judiciary Chapter 5, Judiciary Chapter 6, Understanding Our Criminal Justice System D Unit 4, Social Justice and the Marginalized Chapter 7, Understanding Marginalization Chapter 8, Confronting Marginalization E Unit 5, Economic Presence of the Government Chapter 9, Public Facilities Chapter 10, Law and Social Justice 3. Geography Chapter 1, Resources Chapter 2, Land, Soil, Water, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife Resources Chapter 3, Mineral and Power Resources Chapter 4, Agriculture Chapter 5, Industries Chapter 6, Human Resources.